Welcome, and thank you for choosing Hubble. To install this Hubble inline single-pole device, you will need wire strippers, a utility knife, wire cutters, a 7/32 Allen wrench, and linesman pliers. Let's begin. Measure the cable jacket diameter. Then cut the body plug with the utility knife at the groove marked for the cable jacket diameter. Push the cable through the body, exposing 6 inches. Then strip the jacket 1 3/8 inch to 1.5 inches with a wire cutter. Now wrap the strain relief brass wire around the cable jacket. Twist 2 full turns, compressing the cable jacket with linesman pliers. Squeeze strain relief brass wire ends together. Wrap copper foil tightly around the conductor strands and strain relief brass wire to be flush. Insert the wire bundle in the contact as far as possible. Insert 2 set screws and tighten securely to 200 inch-pounds with 7/32 Allen wrench. Set screws must either be flush or below flush to prevent interference with body. Align the large arrows on the body with the termination screws for male and female contact. If necessary, lubricate inside body and outside of contact with lubricant. Now pull the contact into the body until the whole contact is visible in body pull. Insert retaining screw through the threaded hole and into the contact. Tighten the retaining screw to a 25 inch-pound max torque. And there you have it. You have now installed a Hubble inline single-pole connector device. All of these instructions can be found on this website. For questions, call Hubble Technical Support, and remember, always think safety.